In this video, we're gonna focus on set and set theory. So before we solve a question, let's know what set is. Please write. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Set can be represented in different methods. The first method is builder's method. The second method is roster or listing method. And the third method is Venn diagram. Please take note. So we can represent set in builder's method. We can represent set in roster method or listing method. And we can also represent set in Venn diagram. Let's take some questions to understand this, please. Question 1, we are giving this question here. They said, given that set A is equal to 1, 3, 5, and set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, find A union B. So before we find A union B, we have to know what union set is. The union set of two sets is a combination of the elements without repetition. So we have to combine this element here and this element together without repeating the element. Okay, so let's solve this question here, class. Solution. We are asked to find A union B. Let's list out the element of A. The element of A here is 1, 3, 5. Union. The element of B here is 2, 4, 6. So let's combine it together. So I will have this to be 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6. So this is the union set of A and B. Please take note. Okay, let's solve the next question here. Question 2, please. We are given question 2 here. They said, let set A equal to, this is set A here, equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The union set given to us as 1, 2, dot, 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 to 10. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to 10. Please take note. Then we are asked to find A prime and intersection B prime. Please take notes. So this prime here represents complement of a set. Before we solve this question here, let's know what complement of a set is. This A prime here represents complement of a set. Please take notes. The complement of a set A, the complement of a set A can be represented as this or this. The complement of a set A can be represented as this or this. Please take notes. But let's know what complement of a set is. The complement of a set simply means the elements not in A but in the union set. The element not in A but in the union set. Please take note. So we have A to be this. The set of A from the equation here is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And the union set given to us here from the equation here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please take note. So class, what are the elements not in this A here? What are the elements not in this A but in the union set? That will be the complement of this A here. So I will have this to be A complement will be equal to 1 is not in A, so I will have 1. Okay, 3 is not in A, I will have 3. Okay, 5 is not in A, I will have 5 here. 7 is not in A, I will have 7 here. 9 is not in A, I will have 9. So the complement of A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So the next is to get the complement of B. Remember, it's the same definition. That is what is not in B but in the union set. So let's get B first. The set of B is, from the question here, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our B complement be equal to, so what are the values that are not in B but in the union set? So let's use this union set here. Okay, this 1, 2 is in B, 1 is in B, 3 is in B, 4 is in B, 5 is in B. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please take note. But we are not asked to find complement of A. No, are we asked to find complement of B? We are asked to find A complement intersection B complement. So we are asked to find A complement intersection B complement. The question now is, what is an intersection? What is intersection of a set? So intersection of a set is the element common in both sets. So the element common in A complement and the element common in B complement. Please take note. So let's list at A complement here. A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection B complement is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what are those elements, or what is the element common in A and also common in B? Okay, let's select them here. 7 is common here, 7 is common here, 9. So the answer here will be 7, 9. Please take note. So class, this is my answer here. 7, 9. So 7 is common in A complement. All right. 7 is common in B complement. 9 is common in A complement. 9 is also common in B complement. So this is my answer. So the option there is A. Please take note of that. Let's solve the next question here to understand this properly, class. Question 3. All right, let's solve the next question here, class. They said, given that set of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set of B is equal to A, B, C. Then A minus B is, these are the options here. So let's solve this question here. Solution first. Before we solve A minus B, which is difference of two sets, we have to know what difference of two sets is and how to, the simplest way to simplify difference of two sets. Okay, so if I'm giving difference of two sets here, A minus B, this can also be expressed as A over B, or this is the same as A symmetric B. Please take note. So how do we evaluate difference of two square? Sorry, how do we evaluate this difference of two sets? All you have to do here is to cancel the common elements in A and also in B, and the answer will be taken from the set at the top. you cancel the set in A, the common element in A, and the common element in B. So the set at the top will be the answer. So if there's no cancellation, also the set at the top will be the answer. Please take note. Okay, let's simplify this to understand properly. So I have this to be set of A will be equal to class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set of B here is A, B, C. And I'm asked to evaluate A minus B, which is the same thing as A over B, okay? Let's represent the set of A. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, over set of B is A, B, C. So all I have to do here is to cancel the common element in A and a common element in B. And the result here will be the set at the top here, which is this set here. Please take note. So class, if you look into this here, there's no cancellation. So nothing can cancel, no common element in A and no common element in B. So at this point here, the answer will be the set at the top also. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please take note. So in case you are confused here on how to understand this, let me just explain using a different question also in terms of difference of two sets. All you have to do is to hit the subscribe button to get the concept set and set theory.